Utilizing BIM for facility management is another way that this is all going. We now package up the model in a nice little package and we give that to the owner who gives it to their facility guys, and now they can look at their building that they have to maintain every single day, and if there's a problem with, a switchgear or something, they can now go into one file, have all of that information because it's tied to the model. So facility management gets more information at their fingertips that they didn't have before.
I'm Sue Hopper, Senior Mechanical Engineer at Michigan State University. I work for Infrastructure Planning and Facilities in the Department of Planning, Design, and Construction. It's been great to work with Granger. They're a great teammate. They did a great job making sure we were there and we were key players and we were involved when we needed to be involved, when it was really important. And we all did it together as a team. BIM at this job at STEM, it worked out fabulously. First, we look at everything 2D in the plan view. And then we were able to, with the BIM, to look at it 3D, so we could go through it and see where our mechanics might have issues. Is there a fall hazard? Is there a tie-off hazard? When we go do the service clearances, are they all there? It just was easier for everyone to see. We had the mechanics at the table, our maintenance workers. We're all there together as we were flying through the model. Once we'd looked at it, we moved a box that he would normally have to tie off on it, which would have been a hazard, but then that time for that mechanic to have to go through and tie off just to make sure he's safe to service the VAB box and look at it. And it's a savings for time in the future for maintenance. I mean, that's year after year after year that we just saved right there, and just by going through the model.
Using VDC BIM, the advantages of using this is you're saving on time and cost, and you have the transparency between the owner, the architects, the team, the guys in the field, and whoever is going to work in that space. If that's a teacher or a nurse or a surgeon, you can get them involved during the coordination process, during the construction process, and they can weigh in. They can feel like they have a voice because they're gonna tell you, like, the table won't work here, we need to put it over here, or this door needs to be bigger, or we need X, Y, and Z because we found out from the last project that this didn't work, but it works now, so we had to add it. Now we can add it way earlier instead of waiting until after the fact, until the owners occupy the space, and then we have to add these things. If we just got the end users involved earlier, they can now tell us those things that they need, so they can play their part and get a better project at the end of the day.